In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate frames or layers in Figma. By the end, you will know 2 quick ways to make accurate copies of anything in your file. Whether it's a frame, a component, a shape, or a text layer, and how to keep those duplicates neatly aligned. First, open your design, make sure you are on the correct page in your Figma file and that you can clearly see the element you want to copy. If the canvas is busy, zoom in so the target layer is easy to select. You can click the layer directly on the canvas, or choose it from the Layers panel. Either way, you'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and its bounding box appears. With your frame or layer selected, press Command-D on Mac or Control-D on Windows. Instantly, Figma creates a duplicate and places it slightly offset from the original. That small shift is intentional. It helps you see both the original and the copy without them stacking perfectly on top of each other. The duplicate will contain everything the original had, including any nested layers inside a frame. So it's perfect for exploring variations without altering your source. If you accidentally duplicate the wrong thing, just undo and try again. This keyboard shortcut is the fastest way to create multiple copies in the same spot and then nudge them precisely where you want. Here is also a more visual method that's great when you want to decide exactly where the copy lands as you create it. Select your frame or layer, then hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, and drag the element to a new spot on the canvas. As you drag, you'll see a second copy follow your cursor. This doesn't move the original, it creates a duplicate you can place exactly where it's needed. If you want to keep the copy perfectly aligned, hold Shift while you are dragging. That constrains your movement to a straight horizontal or vertical path, which is especially handy for rows of cards, buttons, or repeated icons. Release the mouse to place the duplicate, then let go of the modifier keys. Use the keyboard shortcut when speed matters, and you plan to adjust position afterward. Use Option or Alt dragging when placement is part of the duplication process. Both methods help you iterate quickly, maintain consistency, and avoid rebuilding elements from scratch. That's it. Thanks for watching.